Hey my beauties, so today I am bringing you a video with my natural look, everyday look. So I wanted to bring y'all a video of how I do my my work look, my everyday look, because I don't do eyeshadow every day. Matter of fact, I don't even do shadow hardly ever because I'm not that good at it. And to do eyeshadow, you have to blend, and I'm learning. That's one of my things that I'm learning right now, is how to blend. So if you guys are interested in how I achieve my natural look, and also guys, I changed my foundation. I'm still using the Maybelline Fit Me, but I changed it from that poreless whatever, because my skin, I just really realized my skin is really oily, and I was trying to deny it. I was trying to be like, nah, my skin ain't oily. Nah. So, but I use that other one. I think it's a dewy or something. I'll link it, or I'll put a picture up there to show you what I'm talking about. But I switched to that, and I honestly really feel like this gives me the matte finish that I've been wanting, because every time I use my foundation, I'm like sweating that shit off, and it's just like, what the hell? Why I look so sweaty and like glossy? You know what I mean? So, but I feel like this right here fits me. I feel like I need something that doesn't really clog my pores. There we go. I told y'all I'm learning as I go. This is a new hobby for me, so I'm learning as I go. I hope y'all are liking the journey. I know y'all getting some laughs too. It's cool though. Laughing at my expense, that's fine, because I'm gonna be laughing later. But yeah, so I hope y'all like my look, and I also threw in some little curls in my hair in a video. I hope y'all seen my video on this hair. If y'all haven't, I will link it up there too. And if y'all have been watching this video so far and you haven't subscribed, like I said before, I don't know what y'all doing with y'all life, because your girl is lit. Okay, I slay these hairs and I slay these looks. Nah, I'm just playing. But I hope you guys are really enjoying these videos that I'm throwing at you. And in the next clip, you will see me doing my whole natural look. And also, I did not put on lashes. I did not use lashes. These are my natural lashes. But no, I'm about to quit messing with y'all and let y'all go ahead and see how I created this look. All right, guys, so that is how I do my natural look. It's nothing to it. It's real simple. As simple as 1, 2, 3. I don't really like a whole lot of makeup caked up on my face because I break out easily. My skin is really sensitive. So like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm going to be throwing out another look soon. I'm trying to do like 2 videos each week, but there's no guarantees. But you are going to get a video every week from me, no matter what it is, no matter if it's hair, makeup, DIY, whatever. My channel is, I'm open to anything, really. I created this channel to just show my talent, you know what I mean? Just to show what I am capable of. This is really a hobby that I am trying to later on turn into a brand or my business, you know what I mean? So just my everyday look, like I said, this is my work look. If I'm going out, well, not if I'm going out, but like out in the world, like to Walmart or something like that, then this is just my everyday look. But I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you in another one. Don't forget to share and like this video. Give me a big thumbs up. And your girl Yvette will see you later.